Well, hello everybody. Well, this is the BNSF rail yard. Right now we have a storm. This is all BNSF engines and Santa Fe. We're on 37th Street. See, these locomotives are 50 years old. Yeah. These are great locomotives. We have BNSF hopper cars. Those are cool. Difference of the headlights. There are upside down, there are top and down, and left and right headlights. You can see all the numbers on the locomotives. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and add the comments below. And click like. Thanks for watching.